What's up, everyone? It's Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. For you new viewers out there, on this channel we talk about personal finance, ways to make money online, investing, and also apps that involve money in general. And for you returning viewers, y'all probably already know the spiel of what we're going to be getting into. In this video, we're going to be talking about a combination of one of those two things, those being investing and an app that involves money in some form. And that app is Moomoo or Moomoo. I've actually never known how to pronounce it, so if I'm butchering this name, please let me know in the comments. But the Moomoo app is an app that you can use to invest in the stock market. Its interface gives a lot of information to the investors so that they don't have to leave the platform to find the information they need to make a decision. But with all that information packed into one app, it may be a little less than intuitive to figure out how to do certain things. That's why in this video, we're going to be showing you a visual demonstration within the app itself on how to buy a stock and the overall process of buying a stock. So we're now going to move over to my phone so you can visually see what I'm talking about. So let's start out by opening the Moomoo app. Then from here, we're going to click on trade since we want to actually purchase or trade a stock using the Moomoo app. And now I'm going to type in the stock that I'm interested in buying. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the stock. Associated Bancorp. And now that I'm at the stock itself, I just click on the trade button at the bottom of the screen. From here, I have a few options to kind of customize my trade. Right now, as far as the type, it says limit. I don't want a limit order. I want it to be market because I want it to execute immediately. And as far as the quantity, I'm just going to buy 1 share. Now, the time in force, that really only plays a role if you're going to do something other than market. That's not what we're doing. So we're actually going to go ahead and move forward. Now we are looking to actually buy this stock, not sell it. So we need to click on the money icon and switch it to buy. And obviously if you wanted to sell, you make sure it was on sale, but we want to buy it. So we're now equipped to buy it. If this is your first time trading using the Moomoo platform, you're going to need to unlock the trade first. So let's click on unlock trade. From here, you're going to have to enter your password, so make sure you have that ready. And then you're given the option to buy or sell. You're going to click on buy. This alert is just letting you know the details of the market order. We're not going to go over that. I'm going to click on continue. Then it's asking me to confirm, do I want to buy 1 share of Associated Bancorp? I do. Hit confirm. And from here, the trade is being executed. Now it's asking me if I want to add this particular stock to my watch list. If you buy a stock that's not on your watch list, it's going to ask this. I say why not, so I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. And speaking of watch list, you can also buy a stock from your watch list. So let's go back to where we started, which is the quotes. And this is where your watch list is. So if at any point you want to buy something off your watch list, let's say if I just clicked on Netflix, it's basically going to take me to the stock directly, and then you just follow the steps that you saw earlier. So you can type in the stock, or you can find the stock on a watch list or some kind of list made by Moomoo. There we have it, folks. You now know how to buy a stock on Moomoo or Momo, whichever way you pronounce it. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. If you have not signed up for Moomoo yet, you can do so using the link in the description or in the pinned comment, and you can get 2 free stocks just for signing up. First stock valued between $3 and $350 just for signing up, and the second stock is valued between $8 and $1,000 if you deposit $100 or more on the platform. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.